Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Today is our fourth episode of Homemade Indian Food, and we are going to make our first Indian dessert. Or at least we're going to try to.
We're going to try.
We're going to try to make carrot halwa. Venky, let's do this.
Let's try it.
Alright, let's run through the ingredients now for the dish. We're going to start with a half pound of carrots. They've been washed and peeled. And I'm going to put them in the food processor to get them nice and grated up. I have 3 tablespoons of golden raisins. I have about 3 tablespoons of mixed nuts. These are both cashew and almond. 3 tablespoons of ghee, clarified butter. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. 2 cups of whole milk, and 4 cardamom pods that have been peeled and ground into a powder. Smells awesome. Alright, let's go ahead and get started cooking. So first we're going to take 1 tablespoon of the ghee and we'll put it in a nice hot skillet. We'll get this melted down and we're going to toast the nuts and then plump up the raisins with this. Okay, we have the ghee nice and melted. We'll go ahead and add the nuts. Okay, the nuts are looking good. Now we'll add the raisins. The raisins are going to plump up real quick. Once they start to plump up, we'll take them off of the heat. Alright, now we're going to take the carrots and put them in the food processor. Get them chopped up nice and fine. I think it'll be better than grating them by hand. What do you think? Did the food processor do a good job? All right, I'm going to bring the milk to a boil and then we'll add the carrots to it. Well, look who's here. We had a little helper come join us. Are we going to make you a yummy dessert? You're going to love it? Okay. Can you say hi to Venky? Wave to the camera. Are you being a shy girl? Okay, the milk is boiling. Now we're going to add the carrots. Quick stir. I've dropped the heat down to medium so it doesn't burn the milk. Okay, now we'll keep stirring this. So I'm going to continue to stir the carrots in the milk until the milk has about evaporated in half, at which point I'll go ahead and add the sugar. So, a quick correction here. I can read. I have to evaporate all of the milk out of the carrots then add the sugar. Then I only evaporate about half of the moisture from the sugar, so. I got it. I can do it, Venky. Don't worry, Venky. Now, we're just about ready to add the sugar. Maybe another minute or so. All right, we're ready to move on to the next step. We're gonna add the sugar. And it's supposed to make it nice and gooey. All right, I think we're just about ready for the ghee. Now we'll keep stirring until the moisture from the ghee is evaporated. Well, we've made it to the final stage. We're going to now add the cardamom powder. Get that mixed in there really well. Ooh. That's very aromatic. That's smelling wonderful. Venky, I think it was worth the wait because I had to get the fresh cardamom pods to do this properly. I didn't want to use the powdered cardamom. I think it's going to be worth it. All right, I think it's ready to take it off of the stove now.
Snap it in?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Yeah, it's kind of
Do you
far
want
away,
some?
huh?
Do you want some raisins with it?
Got some raisins?
No.
No? Okay. What do you think?
Mommy.
Is it good? Do you want me to try? Oh, Dawson.
Is it
Do
yummy?
you want raisins? Yeah. A little bit of nuts. Yes, please. Thank you. Should we try? We being mommy? It's good. It's hot. Yeah, it is hot. It's very flavorful. Oh, wow. That's really good. When you said a pudding, like, I didn't expect
Me too.
this,
That's
but
what I
it's
was
very good. Telling your dad, but yeah, it is really good. I'm very surprised. You like it, baby?
What's this?
Like it? Did you want to try some of these on it?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. I know, buddy.
Oh, you want a raisin?
Mmm.
Is that pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Good.
Papa did good, huh?
Yeah.
What color is it?
And that.
No, but what color is
color's
that?
this?
The orange.
It is orange.
Does that look good, buddy? Huh? Does it look good?
You like to taste it for Papa?
Yeah.
Hey!
Whoops.
Thank you for trying it, sweetie.
Very good. Should we take Daddy some?
Yeah. Good. Yes.
You gonna try it, Dawson? What do you think, buddy? Huh? Is that pretty special?
Ooh. Wow, lucky little boy.
Boy.
Is that good? Is that good?
That's not like it.
Oh, I think he does.
I think you did.
He didn't spit it out. He just drooled a little.
Drooled.
Do you like
He's
it?
still
tried it.
chewing. He's still trying it.
Yep. Still tasting it. Did you like that?
Good job. Okay. Yep. We're gonna go have dinner.
Juliet, do you want to take this bowl to Dada?
Yeah.
Okay, you can take this bowl to Dada. Well, what'd you think?
That was very good. I was pleasantly surprised. Another winner.
First time ever making it.
It was good.
Just following a recipe. I'll put the link to the recipe down in the description.
Okay. Yep. It was really good.
And Juliet approved.
Yep.
Even little Dawson got to try a little.
He did.
Well, that was a lot of fun. Thank you so much, Venky, for making that request. Had a lot of fun doing it.
Yes.
Well, till next time, thanks for watching.
Bye.